welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Gracie. Now, Gracie's explaining that she paid, well, that Maxine had gotten her money and that the money did not come to her. So go ahead and check out the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as usual. And watch for the full details. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Information is verified. So no come here now, please. Me I beg you to do. Show me who's my thief Maxine money. She said her grandson said the money come to me. So show me, cause all of me I tell me say Maxine abs. All the while me I tell me say Maxine I walk sideways. This is what Maxine is walking sideways, saying that I tell people say Gracie thief for money. See this something from YouTube nationals. Me name in a Maxine money, so I'm to take Maxine money. Jesus Christ, God. What make me a seaside? Me Jerry no come like a seaside. Jerry they push me out. Come like a salt water. Me ban in the hospital. Come like a salt water. Jerry push me out. Jerry never got check me that good. I never live in the hospital. A salt water. Jerry push me out in a man. That everywhere me turn cross is a text set for me. So nationals, when me I tell you say Maxine I walk sideways, this is why Maxine is walking sideways. Maxine say me thief for money. You know see how Maxine wicked? You know see how Maxine bitter us bad? This is Maxine money still in the studio over there in a Google accent. Maxine, you sit down for your live and you watch me pretty scream them and you end all your live. As so much pretty scream Gracie get and you know so this money where you are saying me thief for your foolishness. You took me never not talk me business. For this they want to pan for you. And you are going. So imagine if you don't want them, they want to pan when they want to pan for me. They want mad out there, they want mad right through. I'm on this for me thief fire. I'm on this. Me not screenshot nothing more. Henry straight a TikTok me and go when me done because Maxine is a big distraction. Maxine a hold down and process and distraction. She not a doctor. Me supposed to talk. Because doctor over there bustly but she don't know nothing. See Maxine money the nation as I wish I could have changed it right now and take it for true. And then me have something for my name call out here for. I wish I can change it right now and take it for true. She ungrateful for true. Morning, noon, and night, Maxine called me for help. Me never turn the Maxine nation as no time at all. When everybody else call Maxine and look down for Maxine and despise Maxine, me encourage you not a nation as you not turn the back for Maxine, help her still. When Maxine do her bucket for blessing, talk truth. Maxine even said, Gracie, children, them are the only people that give. I mean, not telling you, no, give Maxine. And when Maxine I move sideways, and me look talking to Maxine, I said, me still not telling no help Maxine. Me do like me not know. Me said them sitting there come like a least to me because people ever say things about me. And when me help them. Maxine has stabbed me on my back and I call me same time. And me still do like me not know. So when the people might whisper, tell me a true then, because Maxine said me thief for money. When the people must say Maxine say about me a true then. I'm going to say Maxine said pan her life say Gracie thief for money. See evidence the Maxine. This is not Dana. Push out my receipt them. This is not Dana. Say nah, come out your content no like pa me and ball. You nah, come out your content no like pa me and ball. This is not Dana. Me nah no brand for protect. This is Maxine a receipt. Me come with an evidence. So come with your receipt. Maxine, do that when me do and beat me. Come with your receipt, Maxine, and beat me. Let me take your money. Show your receipt. Do that and beat me, Maxine. You can't do that. You can't beat me. You have to come with receipt. Can me show me receipt? She give me money for buy laptop. Where you sell the Laris? She give me money for buy laptop. Maxine give me $50. When I come back and buy my laptop, me give Maxine give me $50. I'm asking nation, I say, me not go back over there, go school, super chat, I have to check her super chat them, because so Gracie pay back. Everybody know that it's Gracie. If you give me sitting there, you have channel paya, me I come back and put it by your super chat at some time. She not give me no money for buy no laptop. She not give me no money for buy no laptop. I Rose buy me laptop since you want no my name, my business. I Rose money and the nation has the money buy me laptop. Okay. I don't want no my business, dirty people. Come for me good. I Rose money buy me laptop. You tell us me say that. Tell us say Gracie, if you tell us say I Rose money buy me laptop. When me beg me come buy night time with penny catcher. And me say, look, I'm going to buy one laptop with a penny catcher. Look, I'm going to buy one laptop with a penny catcher. And me say, nation has chopped me to buy one laptop. And Rose give me $200 a night. And the rest on the makeup. So tell Maxine to come good. What more she do for me? What more you do for me, Maxine? My page alone make you, since you talk where you give me, my page alone make you a value over $1,000. If me not go sell you over 1,000, I me not sell it for. So talk what you do for me, Maxine. Ungrateful Maxine, come, cause you are talking no more you talk, everything what you do for me. Add your pan come. Add your pan come, Maxine. Add up what you do and come. Add up all the way you give me and come, Maxine. You still can't beat nothing. Can me come over your channel and me still give you back. Me still give you back. Maxine, your money never buy me laptop. Don't bright yourself, Maxine. Don't go there, so. Because we come and leave me up and cut you down to size. Don't do it, Maxine. You hear Shami in attack? Don't make me draw for Gracie and talk things fire away that shame so me didn't talk. Don't do it, Maxine. Just let me chat my mind and go on a TikTok, you hear? Okay. And you walk and talk, tell people say me thief for your money. You walk and tell people, Maxine, say me rob you and see your money here. See your money in front of everybody. If no more of them will come out and come tell lie for me and me never receive for them, me tell myself, say Maxine, you never gonna do it. Too much of them tell lie for me and get where. Me tell myself, so me that said for you. I mean, not trust no now on my ya. So I said for all I don't know when they come around. I don't care when they come like the real. I said fool no. My business, I said rat trap for all I don't know when they come. Nowadays, anybody that come knows me I said fool no. Don't come. I don't miss my slide. No more and I get no chance with me. These are the depths of wickedness now. These are the depths of wickedness. You not tell me not say nothing. Which 250? Tell her to send the receipt come. Kedia, she give me 250. Screenshot the receipt, send come Maxine. Put out the cash app. Everybody know Gracie picture beside her cash app. Put out the cash app. You Kedia, anyone I'm not gonna take it dry out, I will tell